Nigeria is a country with tremendous opportunities and significant growth potential. Its estimated 200 million people make it the largest nation on the African continent. With a median age of 18 years, Nigeria also has one of the youngest populations in the world. Its economy is the largest on the continent, outspacing regional peers South Africa and Kenya. The size and diversity of the country are creating both challenges and opportunities. 6 million young people enter the labor market every year. The economy is not yet sufficiently diversified to provide opportunities for all of them. Nearly half of the working age population is unemployed or underemployed. Lack of economic opportunities is one of the major drivers of migration. 37 million micro, small and medium-sized enterprises form the backbone of the Nigerian economy. Their growth and employment potential remain limited when access to finance and business services is insufficient. Innovative solutions are strongly needed. GIZ, on behalf of the German Development Corporation, has been working with the Nigerian government on sustainable development since 1974. GIZ provides technical assistance to local partners to enable them to shape their own development process. One of the long-standing programs in the country is the Pro-Poor Growth and Promotion of Employment in Nigeria program, SEDIN. Since 2011, SEDIN has worked for sustainable private and financial sector development to improve the economic situation of local businesses and economically active households. Access to finance remains a major challenge for local businesses to expand their operations, increase their income, and create jobs. SEDIN works with the Central Bank of Nigeria, microfinance banks, public, private, and civil society organizations to increase financial knowledge and skills. Since 2017, more than 100,000 individuals were trained on financial literacy by SEDIN partners. The AFC Agriculture and Finance Consultants closely supports SEDIN's efforts to provide innovative financial services that meet with the needs of the local businesses. 22 microfinance banks receive training and coaching to improve internal operations, develop innovative loan products, and strengthen consumer protection. Most microfinance banks offer loans for a very short duration, as short as 30 days, and at small amounts. Local businesses use such loans for working capital to generate quick cash flow for loan repayment. They don't have any option to finance long-term investments and business expansions apart from their own savings. Together with partner microfinance banks, SEDIN has developed 3 innovative loan products to support local businesses invest and grow. The Business Plus loan product addresses businesses' demands for medium-term financing. Loans are repaid over a period of 3 months and above. Now, businesses can access loans at longer duration and higher amounts to acquire machinery and equipment.
Our relationship with GIZ has been a big blessing. Last year alone, I attended more than 6 trainings as the MD, and it covers almost the various aspects of the business. And particularly, Business Plus loan idea has really assisted us. We had less than 20 staffs then, and today we have close to 200 staffs. It has assisted both of us. Our risk asset portfolio has grown, and our savings too has grown.
So mo ní problem gbà kan tán jírinṣẹ́ mi tí mo wá owó tí mi ò rí owó n tó lọ sí Astrapolari náà fi yá mi lówó. So gbà tí mo dẹ̀ yá owó ń bẹ̀ mo lọ ra irinṣẹ́ mi. Mo dẹ̀ ń rí more customer, mo dẹ̀ ń ríṣẹ́ gidi ṣe. So irinṣẹ́ yẹn fún mi ní impress láti ṣiṣẹ́. Mo dẹ̀ nọmọṣẹ́ tó pọ̀ bóyá bí 10 àbí 15.
Mo gba owó yìí lọ́wọ́ Astrapolaris. Mo dúpẹ́ fún owó wọn tí mo gbà. Mo fi ṣe business like 1 year now. Ó help me gan. Ó jẹ́ kí n ra dryer, mo dẹ̀ tún get generator. Inú mi dùn gan.
GIZ has been a good supporter to our training and coaches. The business plus that was introduced to us by GIZ sometimes last year has really helped the business to grow significantly. And also because of the portfolio quality, we are able to reduce our PAR to a reasonable level of about 8% altogether. But on that product, we are able to do 2% on PAR. Business Plus has been our core area of lending now because we realize that it has reduced our PAR significantly. The growth of the business have been on the training we had with them, and we have really gained in the last few years that we've been joining them.
My customer love the products. Some of my customers that had no assets before, they have become someone who has an asset, which has added value to their businesses.
Tí bá wọn ṣòwò láti 2008 tí mo ti ń gba loan. Sọ́wọ́ wọn ni mo ti gba loan tí mo fi ra gbogbo freezer mi, television. Then nígbà tí mo fẹ́ gain níbi tí mo ti ń tajà bí báyìí. Ọwọ́ wọn náà ni mo ti gba loan tí mo fi di ẹni tó ní bí báyìí. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé-iṣẹ́ Foresight Microfinance Bank àti ilé-iṣẹ́ GIZ. Wọ́n ṣe gan-an.
During 9 months of piloting, 6 banks have introduced Business Plus and disbursed loans to 940 clients at an overall value of 181 million naira. The majority of Nigerians work in agriculture. The sector is characterized by low yields and low competitiveness due to the low levels of mechanization. Most financial institutions lend to farmers on a very small scale, and if they do, loans are used for inputs such as seeds or fertilizers. Very few banks offer agricultural loans for acquisitions of fixed assets, thus cementing the stagnant progress of farmers. AgroPlus has been developed to address these challenges. Partner microfinance banks offer financing for equipment to farmers at lending conditions adequate to the farming cycle with sufficiently long repayment periods. A critical element in this innovative approach is a good relationship between the microfinance bank and the equipment supplier, which is often located far away from farmers.
We have supported farmers in the past, but over time, we saw that it was not highly lucrative because some of them were running at a loss. But with the advent of AgroPlus from GIZ, we've been able to package an agricultural loan, and it's working. You see, before AgroPlus, repayment was hard for some of them. Increased income earnings is what we are targeting, and by that, they will be able to repay their money.
What GIZ did through Lavender Microfinance is very, very great. What they gave us, the irrigation pump and the pipe, is very, very crucial, very important to the vegetable farming, especially this season. With one pump, 4 people can work with one. So if you give us more pump, more pipe, the employment will be more here. If I have water pump, I get another pipe, I will employ more. So there will be a reduction of the people that are living without work. So that's what I'm just pleading for GIZ to help us with.
AgroPlus has been piloted by 5 microfinance banks. In 2019, 68 clients benefited from the facility. While lending to the agricultural sector is always tricky, most banks are not ready to finance newly established businesses. Funding startups is considered very risky. What mitigation measures could be found to enable banks lend to businesses started by the youth, women, and potential migrants? The Opportunity Plus approach turned out to be a game changer. This loan product provides financing for newly established enterprises with proven business models, regular cash flow, and low seasonality. Loan duration is 1 year and longer with higher amounts that allow for asset acquisition. Young people now have the chance to create businesses and build a livelihood for themselves.
So
So we find this very interesting because it has reduced unemployment, which has been prevalent in the society. GIZ is involved basically in training both staff. They also provide financial literacy to some of our customers. These trainings that are being done to both customers and staff have gone a long way to reduce customers' disloyalty in terms of loan repayment, because once they are financially literate, whatever we give to them, they use it well, keep good records, and then they're able to repay in good time and take a repeat loan. And this has helped and has gone a long way to really improve the business generally.
I was living an idle life, seeking for opportunity here and there, but couldn't find anyone. At a point, Goan's microfinance came to my aid. And I'm happy because it has helped me to help myself financially and also to support my family. I've been able to go back to school. Want to appreciate GIZ for partnering with them, and I pray that God will continue to strengthen them and will continue to empower them so that they will empower a lot of youths that are wondering about.
After the NYC, I couldn't get a job. So when I got the Opportunity Plus financing, it has helped me to establish my business and also to expand the business more. It has helped me to employ more staff that has been able to help me in running the business.
Within 1 year, 3 partner banks disbursed loans to 137 unemployed and underemployed youths at 99 million naira. The average loan size is 720,000 naira. With excellent repayment behavior, the approach can be adjusted to suit other business types such as hairdressing, barbing, shoemaking, and tailoring with similar lending conditions. Opportunity Plus has demonstrated that leading to youth is possible and profitable, while at the same time significantly increasing the income and employment opportunities for young people. One of the key drivers to unlocking Nigeria's great potential lies within a sound private and financial sector. They form the foundation for strong employment creation and income growth for the millions of entrepreneurs who are ready to start and expand their businesses. To contribute to this goal, SEDIN has established excellent cooperation with key stakeholders in the financial sector. Many years of market experience and the commitment of our partners enabled us to design viable solutions for Nigerian entrepreneurs. A representative survey has demonstrated considerable income and employment effects through the provision of access to financial services to business clients of supported microfinance banks. Over the last 2 years, the number of employees per business has more than doubled, and income grew on average over 30%. GIZ support contributed to stronger financial institutions with growing portfolios and reduced risk. Microfinance banks increasingly assume the vital role they can play in income and employment creation for local economic development.